Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I would like to share with you my new pattern. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. To start the work by making a chain of 22, I will begin from the foundation chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. The foundation chain is ready. Then chain. This is the chain for transition. Make single crochet into the second chain stitch away from the hook. And make single crochet into each chain stitch of the foundation chain. It's gonna be a row of single crochet. Pattern consists of 5 stitches, so I will repeat pattern 4 times plus 2 stitches for more beautiful look. In total I counted 22. Pattern consists of 2 rows. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. My first row is ready. Let's crochet my unique stitches. Chain of 5 to bring up the yarn. Let's crochet the next row. For this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Well done. Make a chain, yarn over the hook, make double crochet, not finish, into the first pair of horizontal strands. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. And make the third one through the next pair. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. My unique stitch is ready. This is my own design. Continue. Make a chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into 2 threads, make double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's stop and look what I have done. So my square stitch is ready. It is based on 5 stitches. Let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook 3 times, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Well done. Make a chain, yarn over the hook, make double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Make a chain, and make double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3. I skip this stitch, insert the hook into the next one, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. My second square stitch is ready. It consists of 5 stitches. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. In total it should be 4 such unique stitches. Then I will show you how to complete this row. Once I have done the last stitch, let's complete this row. Yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the single crochet of the previous round, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. My row 2 is ready. Let's crochet row 3. This is the first row of the main pattern. Let's crochet row 2 of the main pattern. Make a chain, turn the work, insert the hook into the first stitch, make single crochet. Pattern consists of 5 stitches, so make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In total I have got 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep working in this way till the end of this row, then I will show you how to complete this row. Let's complete this row together. Insert the hook into the chain stitch that I did after the last unique stitch. Make single crochet. My row 2 of the main pattern is ready. And let's look at another side. This is the front one. Pattern consists of 2 rows, the row of the tall stitches and single crochet, and pattern has 5 stitches. Let's repeat the next row. It's gonna be a row of unique stitches or square stitches or super stitches. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chains to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook 3 times and make double treble crochet stitch into the second stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Well done. Make a chain and make double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3, and skip the next stitch, pull up a loop into the next stitch, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Make a chain and double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3. I skip the next stitch, pull up a loop into the second stitch, pull through 2 loops 4 times. So my first stitch in this row is ready. Continue. Yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the second stitch, make a chain and double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3, and pull up a loop into the second stitch, pull through 2 loops 4 times, chain, double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. The second one is done. You should crochet 2 more to complete this row. So that's it, my swatch is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. This is my own design. I created it for you. Pattern consists of 2 rows and has 5 stitches. You can use this pattern to create table runner or handband or another accessories for home or for yourself. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. Also, you can change kind of yarn and crochet the project for the winter time. You can crochet from the top to the bottom or from the bottom to the top, whatever you want. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me in social media and please write comment below this video what you will get with my video. Good luck in crocheting. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.